So, guys, with the name of God, Ram Ram, today we are going to solve a very interesting problem which was asked 1 to 2 days ago in Google Online Assessment for Software Engineering Intern. Okay, this pro, this online assessment was held in many top colleges of India. Okay, so guys, this problem was really interesting, and the special fact about this problem is problem uses the exact same concept which I taught and posted on my YouTube channel also, the Cisco Ideathon way. The same dynamic programming trick which was used in solving this problem, you can see the video is here. Same is going to be used in this problem. Okay, so let's open the question and try to read what they are trying to tell us. Okay, let's open the question. And how should we solve this? Let's try to analyze. Always remember, just solving the popular DSA questions of popular DSA sheets will not help you in cracking the OA. For cracking OA, you need to solve hard unseen problems of OA and contests. Okay, so we are here for doing that only. Anyways, guys, what is the question saying? You are given the following n servers. Initially, all disconnected from each other. Cost array A denoting the cost array for the servers if used as a microservice instance. Cost array B denoting the cost array of the servers to be used as a monolith instance. Each server can be used to make a microservice or joined with other adjacent servers. Servers whose index differ by one or make an instance of monolith architecture. A monolith architecture will require at least two adjacent server instances. A single server can be used as a microservice. The cost of a monolith architecture is the sum of cost of servers described by array B. Now, guys, when you read things like this, you don't understand anything. I know that. So the guys, the skill of cracking the OA is that you should be able to understand what the question is saying, and you should be able to convert this given big paragraph into lines of question. Once you have converted it into that, then it is very easy to solve the problem. Okay, we will convert it, guys, but before like going into this question, I want to discuss a small DP. I think most of my students are ready to listen to me. So guys, what did I teach in the Cisco Ideathon OA? What did I teach? I taught a DP partition trick, right? The name of the trick was DP partition trick. DP partition trick. And I told everyone to watch the recording in case they don't know. So what do we do in the DP partition trick? We make a large DP array of size n. Okay, empty DP array of size n. Good. Then guys, what is the meaning of DP of I? DP of I generally means DP of I generally means the best answer to the question if size of the array was I. Okay, you can use multi-dimensional DP also depending on the use case. Okay, so means the best answer to the question if the size of the array was I. Okay, this much you know. Good, great, nice. And guys, what do we do in the partition DP? This trick is mainly used. This trick is mainly used when you have to divide. When you is mainly used when you have to divide your array into small subarrays so say the question is telling you to divide your array into small subarrays and give the best possible answer, then you should know that if you are having to divide your array into small subarrays and you want the best possible answer, you have to use the DP partition trick. I taught the same thing in the Cisco way as well. If you have watched, great for you. If you have not watched, learn again. Always remember when the question is saying, okay, these tricks no one else will teach you. Always remember that because these are specific to OA and contest and not popular interview problems. Okay, these are unseen new hard problems. So the trick is, this trick is mainly used, guys, when you have to divide your array into small subarrays and give the best answer. Plus, give the best answer. Okay. So generally, what is the answer for DP of I, guys? DP of I is what? The answer of DP of I is nothing but DP of I minus 1 plus fix the last part I of the array. You fix the last part I of the array. You fix the last part I of the array. Okay? Generally, we do these things. Yes, correct. Guys, always remember one option is DP of I. If someone tells you what will be the formula of DP of I in the partition concept, in general, DP of I is nothing but DP of I minus 1 plus fix the last part I. लास्ट पार्ट को फिक्स कर देंगे. कॉमन सेंस है, कोई कोई बड़ी बात नहीं कर रहा है यहाँ पर. और डीपी ऑफ आई इक्वल टू डीपी ऑफ आई माइनस 2 प्लस fix the last part. Now there are two parts, I minus 1 and I. You fix these two parts of the array, and rest of the partition, best answer you already know, which is dp of I minus 2. So dp of I will be nothing but dp of I minus 2 plus fix the last part, I minus 1 and I of the array. Similarly guys, there will be n possibilities like this. Okay, final possibility will be what? Dp of I equal to dp of 1 plus fix the last part. Which is the last part? Now last part will be from where? It will be from 2 to I, 2 to I of the array. Always remember this general concept. In case you don't know, you don't need to worry. Please go and watch my Cisco OA on YouTube. You will understand it better. Today I am assuming that most of the people know that, so I'm not explaining it in detail. Next thing what we have to do is, the last possibility is what? Last possibility is what? Last possibility is dp of 0. Okay, nothing, dp of 0, which is 0 only, basically dp of 0 plus fix the whole last part. Whole last part, you fix the whole last part from 1 to I. You fix everything, and this is your one single partition of the array. Always remember, this is called as the dp partition trick. dp of I generally means the best answer to your question till index I, and these are the possibilities. Maximum of all these will be your answer. Maximum or minimum of all the choices will be your answer, will be your answer, will be your answer. Minimum or maximum of all the choices will be your answer. Clear guys? Always remember, this is the general dp partition trick. You have to use this whenever the question is telling you to divide the array into sub arrays and give the best possible answer, or you will have to analyze if they are trying to tell you to divide into sub arrays. You have to read, you have to analyze, you have to use your own brain. Clear guys? These many things are clear to most of the people. Guys, everyone start writing yes if these basic things are clear, and now we can move on to the real question. Be super quick, don't even waste a single second. Fast, fast, quick, quick, quick. You are Kumar ke student, don't be lazy. Nice, great. Now guys, what is the question saying? चलो इसको थोड़ा आसान भाषा में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. Understanding of the question. Question is saying understanding. Okay, first we will clear the understanding. Understanding. The question is very easy, guys. It is just saying understanding. It is saying you are given an array. You are an array. Okay. Divide that array. Divide that array into subarrays. Total cost of doing this should be minimum. Total cost of doing this should be minimum. This is what this large paragraph of Google OA is saying you. देखो इन्होंने कितने लंबे चौड़े में लिखा था, हमने 2 लाइन में लिख दिया. They are saying that you are given an array, divide that array into small subarrays such that the total cost of doing this should be minimum. Example, with the name of God, Ram 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 Ram. Say we are given an array like this, right? सो गूगल सिर्फ आपको इतना कह रहा है कि आप इसको डिवाइड कर लीजिए. ओके, डिवाइड इट लाइक दिस. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू प्रिपेयर फॉर गूगल ओए, दिस टॉपिक शुड बी डन वेरी नाइसली. वन इज हैशिंग, another is dp, another is greedy plus priority queue. Okay, Didi started messaging us. Anyways, let's focus. So guys, you try to divide the array into some parts like this, right? Nice, lovely people divides it into some parts. They are telling you, please divide it in such a manner that minimum cost is happening. Okay. Now we will learn what is the cost of dividing. So what they are saying, whenever, whenever whenever the subarray size is 1, guys, whenever the subarray size is greater than equal to 2, is greater than equal to 2, cost of dividing the cost of the subarray, dividing नहीं लिखते, cost of the subarray, cost of the subarray will be, guys, subarray will be from I to j, right? I to j, the cost of the subarray I to j will be equal to what? It will be b of I plus b of I plus 1. The b array is given to us, b of I plus 1 till b of j. This is what the question is saying. Whenever your subarray size is greater than equal to 2, The cost of the subarray from I to j is b of I plus b of I plus 1 till j. Whenever the subarray size is 1, whenever the subarray size is 1, subarray size is 1, cost of the subarray is, अब सब एरे आई से चालू हो रहा है, आई पर ही खत्म हो जाएगा, एक ही तो साइज का है, तो इसकी कॉस्ट क्या होगी? इसकी कॉस्ट ए ऑफ आई होगी. यही वो लोग बोल रहे थे मोनोलिथ और माइक्रो सर्विसेज में, दैट सी cost array A denoting the cost array for the server if used as a microservice. Microservice यानी उसको अकेले में आप यूज करोगे. So guys, जब whenever you are trying to divide the array ना, say A is given to us 35219 and 111053. 35219. Let's now my students will answer. Now my students will answer. Okay. Now the students will answer and be quick about it, guys. Okay. Suppose my array looks like this. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And now this is my array A, guys. Okay, array A looks like this: 5 5 8 5 5 8 1 2. Array B looks like this: 0 1 0 3 5 4 100 200. Now I am dividing my original array. Okay, this is just assumed array. Original array, guys, I'm dividing it into such parts. Can you tell me what will be the cost, guys? Everyone start saying. I'm dividing it like this. First part is from 1 to 3. Then I am dividing it from 4 to 7. Then I am dividing 8. So guys, my partitions are looking like this. First I am dividing one. I am taking this part. Okay. Then I am dividing the second part and making the second part from 4 to 7. Then I am taking the last part 8. Guys, can anyone tell me what will be the cost of this part 1 to 3? Start writing in the chat and be super fast. What will be the cost of 1 to 3? It will be as taught. सिखाया था, क्या सिखाया था? 1 2 3 I to j का cost क्या होगा? B of 1 plus B of 2 plus B of 3. Everyone start saying what will be the cost of the part from from 1 to 3 and be quick about it. Guys, start writing on FaceTime. Be quick about it, okay? Be quick, be quick, be quick, be quick. Cost of part from 1 to 3 is 18. Love you people, love you. Smart, intelligent students of Kumar K have already answered. अगर आप एक से तीन ले रहे हो तो जब एक से ज्यादा बंदा ले रहे हो, whenever you are taking more than one element, the cost will be array B. Array B में क्या लिखा है? 0 plus 1 plus 0, cost is 1. 18 कौन लिख रहा है? Array A को यूज नहीं करना है, array B को यूज करना है. Whenever the number of guys in a part is more than 1, you have to use the array B in the cost, not the array. That is what the Google O is trying to tell you. Use your brain. Guys, now everyone start telling me what will be the cost of partition 1 2 3. It will be only be 1, because the answer will be 0 plus 1 plus 0. Guys, everyone start writing 1. Everyone start writing 1. Everyone start writing 1. Don't even waste a single second. Good. See, I have this privilege. 70 grown up people more than 20 years of age are listening to me at a single time. Not many people have that privilege. Anyways, going back. Guys, what will be the cost of dividing the array from part 4 to 7? 4 to 7 से डिवाइड करना है. एक से ज्यादा बंदे ना 4 to 7 में, तो ये वाली कॉस्ट आएगी. 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 100 कितना होता है? 8 और 4 12, 112. What is the cost of dividing from 4 to 7? 112. 112. Guys, can now my smart students tell me what is the cost of only one element 8? क्या ये 200 होगा कि 2 होगा? क्लियरली लिखा था यहां पर. क्या लिखा था? Whenever the subarray size is 1, cost of the subarray is a of I. मतलब array A को सिर्फ तब यूज करना है जब आप एक बंदे को साइड में ले रहे हो. तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? 2. So यहाँ पर 2 लिखेंगे. तो टोटल विल बी 1 plus 112 plus 2, which is 115. So they are saying you that try any kind of partition you want, but bring the minimum answer for me. Bring the minimum answer for me. समझ गए? Guys, understanding of the question clear to everyone? Everyone start writing yes in the chat. Don't even waste a single second. Fast, guys, fast. Quick, quick. Don't waste go. Don't waste time. Good, nice, great, going. Good. Thank you. Thank you for the emojis and everything. Now, guys, the thing is that now, what will we do? What is the Google OS saying? Say, five servers were given 35219111053. So, guys, what they did, they used the first and second server in from the B array, right? So one plus one, two. The third server they used it as a microservice, so two is the cost. And the fourth and fifth they again used it as a monolith service, so five plus three is the cost. So the total cost came as 12 and it was the minimum possible. But now we need to figure out the minimum possible on our own, and that's not very difficult. Okay, that's not very difficult. Guys, what are the steps to solve the DP problem easily? I taught that very so many times. The steps are simple in your life. First, make a empty DP array of size n. Then clear up the meaning of DP of I. Once the meaning of DP of I is clear, which is generally the best answer to the question if the size of the array was from 1 to I. Once DP of I is clear, try to make the formula for DP of I in terms of previous values, like DP of I minus 1, I minus 2, something like that. Once you know the recurrence formula, put it in a for loop. Once you have done this, you can calculate all the values from dp of 1, dp of 2 till dp of n. और कॉमन सेंस है, आंसर dp of n ही तो होगा. dp of n is nothing but the final answer to the question if the size of the array is n. Clear, guys? Clear. Guys, now for this particular question, can everyone start writing what will be the meaning of dp of I? Don't waste even a second for that. Whoever tells me, like, now we are going towards a solution. Okay, we're going towards a solution, and now I want my students to tell me what will be the meaning of dp of I for this particular problem. Don't even waste a single second. Quick. This will be the minimum cost to divide the array if the size of the array is from 1 to I. देखते बच्चों ने क्या लिखा. dp of I is the minimum cost to, नहीं नहीं, थोड़ा और इजी में लिखूं. आकाश, dp of I is the minimum cost to divide the array of size I. अन्वेषा again won. अन्वेषा again won. सिड ने भी अच्छा लिखा था, but again, according to Anvesha's law, dp of I is nothing but what? It is nothing but minimum cost to divide the array of size I. So dp of I is nothing but minimum cost to divide the array of size I. Clear, guys? Cosmics and S. क्या थोड़ा और बड़ा कर लेते हैं बस. Okay, guys. Now, guys, what is the small second trick? Second trick is chill, enjoy in your life. Life is very chill. Only Kumar K has to work hard. You guys can chill. Only do 1 to 2 hours preparation, get a good job. That's it. Only I have to work hard. You have to chill. Always remember that. So, DP first, what is the next trick? You try to calculate DP1 by yourself. You try to calculate DP2 by yourself. You try to calculate DP3 by yourself. By doing this, you will notice a pattern. Once you notice the pattern, you know the formula, your job is done. Go and take the 60 LPA Google job. It's yours now. Okay, this is it. So now, guys, let's take the example given here only. क्या दिया हुआ है? 35219. 35219, right? So the array is 35219. What is the array B? Array B is 35219 and it is 111053. 111053. Good, great, nice. Guys, can anyone tell me what will be the cost of dp of 1? dp of 1 means you're only considering the first part of the array, and it is clearly written what to do when the size is 1. Answer will be a of 1. dp of 1 will be a of 1. B of 1 is not allowed, so it will be 3. Guys, is it clear to everyone that dp of 1 will be 3? Everyone start writing yes in the chat and be quick about it. Don't waste a single second. Everyone start writing dp1 equal to 3, dp1 equal to 3, dp1 equal to 3, dp1 equal to 3. Good, great, nice, great, good, 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 good. Now, guys, dp of 1 equal to 3. Now tell me what will be dp of 2. I have two options. I have two options. What? One option is option 1. Option 1 is divide separately, na? You take the first element separately, you take the second element separately. If you take both of them separately, both are of size 1. So the cost will be a of 1 plus a of 2. Got it, guys? And the answer will be 3 plus 5, 8. The second option is what, guys? Option 2. Option 2 will be what? You take 1 and 2 together. When you take together, 1 is I, 2 is j. Whenever you take together subarray from I to j, cost is b of I till b of j. So b of 1 plus b of 2. This is the possible cost, which is 2. So guys, we want the minimum. So minimum क्या आ रहा है 2 और 8 का? Minimum option कौन सा है? Option 1 की option 2? Option 2. So dp of 2 is nothing but 2. Guys, clear to everyone that dp of 2 is 2? Everyone start writing in the chat, guys. Be quick, fast. Kumar ki student. Good, great. Now guys, dp of 3. अब बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है गाइस. नाउ वी कैन यूज द पार्टीशन डीपी कॉन्सेप्ट. पार्टीशन डीपी कॉन्सेप्ट क्या कहता है? Fix the last part I of the array plus dp of I minus 1. So guys, when you have to divide the first three parts, what can you do, guys? You can fix the last part. Last part को आप fix कर दो. So dp of 3 के सामने तीन choices है. तीनों choices में लिख देता हूँ. Option 1 is fix the last part. Last part 3. Option 1 will be what? The best answer you got for the first two indices plus fix the last part 3. Guys, can you tell me? Can you all tell me what will happen if you fix the last part 3? What will happen if you fix the last part 3 को आपने fix कर दिया? तो आंसर B of 3 होगा कि A of 3 होगा? सब लिखना चैट चालू करो. चैट में डोंट वेस्ट अ सेकेंड. Everyone write, not only Anvesh and Akash. Fixing the last part. A of 3. Great. Guys, this is the first option. आपने last part को fix कर दिया partition में. Good. और आप क्या कर सकते थे? और आप क्या कर सकते थे? आप लास्ट के दो बंदों को फिक्स कर दो ना. लास्ट का पार्टीशन में लास्ट के दो बंदे डाल दो. सो आंसर विल बी डीपी ऑफ 1 प्लस फिक्स द लास्ट पार्ट 2 and 3. 2 and 3. आंसर विल बी व्हाट? डीपी ऑफ 1 प्लस दो पार्ट को फिक्स करने का कितना कॉस्ट है? लास्ट के दो पार्ट्स को फिक्स कर रहा हूं बेसिकली. इतनी कोई बड़ी बात, नथिंग बिग इज हैपनिंग. ओके गाइस, okay. So what I'm saying is that, say I am at this index number 3. Okay, so what am I doing? I am saying that you have to divide this, right? So how many options are available? There are only 3 options. Option number 1 is that in whatever your partition is, this should come in a separate partition. This is option number 1. Another option is whatever you are dividing, you divide in such a manner, divide in such a manner divide in such a manner that last two parts are coming in your partition. So this is the second option, last two. What is the third option? Divide in such a manner that all the three are coming in one partition only. ये थे तीन options. इसको बोलते हैं partition DP. So first option dp2 plus fix the last part which is dp of 2 plus a of 3. अब कॉमन सेंस लगाओ ना. लास्ट की पार्ट को फिक्स किए हो. कितना फैक्ट पार्ट को फिक्स किए? इसमें लास्ट के पार्ट को फिक्स किए. तो आंसर क्या होगा? लास्ट के पार्ट को फिक्स करने का कॉस्ट प्लस पहले दो का बेस्ट आंसर विच इज dp of 2. तो वही तो लिखा है, dp of 2 plus a of 3. नाउ अदर ऑप्शन इज फिक्स द लास्ट टू पार्ट्स 2 and 3. सो आंसर विल बी व्हाट? लास्ट के दो पार्ट्स को फिक्स करना है. तो दो पार्ट को फिक्स करने का कॉस्ट कितना होता है? बी ऑफ 2 प्लस बी ऑफ 3. और पहले पार्ट का बेस्ट आंसर क्या था? डीपी ऑफ 1. तो डीपी ऑफ 1 प्लस बी ऑफ 2 प्लस बी ऑफ 3. डीपी ऑफ 1 प्लस बी ऑफ 2 प्लस बी ऑफ 3. guys, now can anyone tell me what will be the option 3? What will be the option 3, guys? Fast. It will be dp of 0 when there is no array and fix the whole, fix the last part. इसको last part बोलना भी नहीं चाहिए. तो भी you fix it all, guys. 1 2 3 only make a single partition. सिर्फ एक ही पार्ट बनाना है. 1 2 3 को एक ही पार्ट में ले लो, काम खत्म. समझे? तो आंसर क्या होगा? dp of 0. dp of 0 is nothing but 0, guys. पहले इनिशियलाइज कर लेना. when there is no array, so answer will be 0 ना. no cost. chill life. No friends, no girlfriends, DP of 0 0. So guys now, or boyfriends. So guys now what will be the cost? B of 1 plus B of 2 plus B of 3. B of 3. Now in this case, what will be the answer, guys? Minimum of all the options is the answer. Minimum of all the options is your answer, and this is the partition DP concept. Clear, guys? Great going. Guys, everyone understood how we calculate DP of 3. Everyone start writing yes in the chat. Don't even waste a single second. Congratulations, Nayan. Everyone start. Guys, quick, fast, fast. React with emojis. Fast, quick. Don't waste a single second. This document access I am now finally giving to the people. All can start opening this document, okay? This document access I have given to everyone. Chalo, khol lo. Kar lo apne maje. Finally, the people who are till now in the meeting get the document access. Okay? So guys, now let's make the general formula. Let's make the general formula and end the session. We have solved the Google OA problem. Now we are ready for the 60 LPA interview. So guys, what will be the general formula? DP 3 के लिए कितने ऑप्शन बने थे? 3 ऑप्शन बने थे ना? तो DPI के लिए कितने ऑप्शन बनेंगे? गाइस, हाउ मेनी ऑप्शंस विल बी देयर फॉर DP ऑफ I? Yes, we have to fix the last part only as taught in the partition concept. Because आपको सिर्फ लास्ट पार्ट की तो ध्यान रखनी है, बाकी का आंसर तो आपको ऑलरेडी पता है ना कि बेस्ट आंसर क्या है, उसके पार्टीशन में क्यों पढ़ोगे? गाइज ऑलवेज नो दिस डीपी की ट्रिक, ये बहुत, दिस इज वेरी सब्टल ट्रिक. इन डीपी हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? कभी ध्यान से देखा हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हमको क्या बोला था कि भाई इसको डिवाइड करने का ट्रिक बताओ, तो हमने क्या किया? हमने लास्ट पार्ट को फिक्स कर दिया कि लास्ट में मैं इतना डिवाइड करूंगा. लास्ट पार्ट को फिक्स करके इसका आंसर लाना बहुत इजी है. आप आगे के झमेले में पढ़ ही नहीं रहे हो. आप इसका नहीं बोल रहे हो कि इसको करने में कितना लगेगा. इसका तो आंसर आपने बोला कि मुझे ऑलरेडी पता है. जो भी समझो इंडेक्स वाई है तो इसका आंसर डीपी ऑफ वाई है, जो आपने पहले ही कैलकुलेट कर लिया है. ये होती है डीपी की ट्रिक. डीपी का मतलब ये होता है कि बस लास्ट में देखो क्या हो रहा है, आगे का झमेला छोड़ दो. This is the whole essence of dynamic programming, that you try to fix the last part, try to see what is happening in the last part, write the general variations happening, and the initial stuff you say that you have already calculated it and give it that value. समझे? तुम यहाँ पर बैठ के ये नहीं कर सकते कि भैया मैं यहाँ पर भी डिसाइड कर लूँ, फिर ये भी सोच लूँ इधर कितना करना है. अरे इतना पॉसिबिलिटी होंगे कि खत्म ही नहीं होगा. That's why only fix the last part. Now this concept goes even in multi-dimensional DP. You only see what trace transitions you have to do at the end. Okay guys, clear? Now guys, everyone ready? Now guys, can anyone tell me what will be the number of options for DP of I? Darpan, clear? Start writing us in the chat. Everyone start writing I, guys. I. How many options will be there for DP of I? DP of I के लिए सिर्फ I options होंगे, ठीक है ना? कोई इसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. For example, say this is my array, okay? So guys, can anyone tell me the general formula? It is very easy. General formula, very, very easy. What will be the answer for DP of I? Option number 1 will always be the same. It will be, you are only taking one element, na? A of I plus DP of I minus 1. What will be the other options? B of I plus B of I plus 1 plus, sorry, B of I plus B of I minus 1 plus dp of I minus 2. Similarly, another option, B of I, the sum you have to do till B of I minus 2 plus dp of I minus 3. ऐसा आप करते रहिए, आपका काम खत्म. The general formula, guys, can anyone start writing nicely in the chat the general formula according to Nayan's law? Guys, Nayan has given the correct answer in the chat. Everyone start giving emojis and congratulations to Nayan. एक बार में ही उसने सही लिख दिया, एक ही बार में. गाइस, जोर जोर से पिचकारी छोड़ो नयन के लिए. गुड. सो गाइस, फाइनली दिस इज द जनरल फॉर्मूला. सेम जो यहाँ पर 3 में किया था ना, 3 को आई से सब्स्टिट्यूट करो तो सारे ऑप्शंस दिख जाएंगे तुमको. द जनरल फॉर्मूला इज सुपर सुपर इजी. I like cosmics and MS. So dp of I is minimum of dp of I minus 1 plus a of I, dp of I minus 2 plus b of I minus 1 plus b of I. ऐसे करते करते till dp of 0 plus अच्छा सही से नहीं लिखा था इसने भी, कोई बात नहीं. This part you should separate, Nayan. Okay, b of I till b of 1 you will add. Okay, b of 1 plus b of 2. Guys, you are understanding ना everyone कि ये सारे ऑप्शंस है. देखो पहले भी हमने ऑप्शन डिस्कस किया है. पहले तो आप लास्ट पार्ट को फिक्स कर लो, फिर लास्ट के दो पार्ट, और देन यू फिक्स द लास्ट टू पार्ट्स, देन यू फिक्स द लास्ट थ्री पार्ट्स, देन यू फिक्स द लास्ट फोर पार्ट्स, देन यू फिक्स द लास्ट फाइव पार्ट्स, देन यू फिक्स द होल array. Then you reach till dp of 0. So the general formula will be dpi minus 1 plus a of I means fixing the last part. Dpi minus 2 plus b of I minus 1 plus b of I means fixing the last two parts. Similarly, for the last three parts, last four parts, last five parts, all the options I write and I'm taking minimum of all of them. Guys, is the general formula clear to most of the people? Everyone start writing yes in the chat and don't waste a single second. Everyone start writing yes in the chat. Everyone start writing yes in the chat. Don't even waste a single second. Good going, guys. Great. Great, great, great. Guys, now I think we can write. Guys, everyone ready for the coding part? सब लोग तैयार है? सब यस लिखना चालू कीजिए. The C++ Java Python codes you guys can already check there. You will understand. But now we should go to the pseudo code, guys. Everyone ready? चलिए जल्दी से खत्म करते हैं. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So now, guys, this is the easiest part. I don't know coding, so you will have to help me out, okay? I stopped coding 10 years ago. So now you will have to help me. So what do we do? Guys, not wasting time in taking input size of the array is n. I am taking b of n plus 1 because I like one based indexing more. And I'm going to solve Google OA now. So I'm so happy. Then a of n plus 1. Uh, guys, this is array A, this is array B. Okay, now I'm declaring what? My dp array of n plus 1. Okay, and dp of 0, and I will initialize all the values to 0. Okay, guys, now everyone ready? Everyone tell me what will be the value of dp of 1. देखते हैं मेरे बच्चों में कितना दिमाग है. सब लिखना चालू करो. dp of 1 की वैल्यू क्या होती है? dp of 1 पूछ रहा हूँ. 1 एग्जैक्ट. a of 1 करेक्ट. सबसे पहले कौन लिखा था? सबसे पहले लिखा था आदित्य ने. गाइस, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन इमोजीज फॉर आदित्य. सी ही डिड इट करेक्टली. गुड, नाइस. सो a of 1 g. a of 1. So now, guys, start the loop from 2. Go from I less than equal to n. Okay, I equal to I plus 1 so as to not to offend the Python guys. अब guys, the actual C++ Python Java code you guys can check. Okay, दिया हुआ है डॉक्यूमेंट में. But now, guys, everyone listen to me. Guys, what is the first option? क्या कोई बता सकता है what will be the first option for dp of I? I am storing it in v1. Guys, what will be the first option for dp of I? Can anyone tell me, guys, and be super quick about it? dp of I, what will be the first option for dp of I? You fix the last part, which will be correct. Anusha does it right. Reaction emojis for Anusha. dp of I minus 1 plus a of I. Last का part fix कर दिया अनुषा ने. Congratulations, Anusha. So this is the first option. So I write it as like this. Great. Now, guys, now we need to see what happens when we consider multiple parts. So I start iterating my j from I minus 1, and my j will go till 1, guys. J greater than equal to 1. So now what? Just enjoy. So now, guys, dp. So dp of no. G, top G, Andrew Tate, breathe air. You should drink sparkling water. So guys, tell me what are the other possibilities? We will take minimum of all the G's. Don't worry, we will reach the bottom G soon. Tell me guys, which is the another possibility? क्या कोई माई का लाल बता सकता है? अभी J क्या चल रहा है? I minus 1 चल रहा है ना? ठीक है. तो this is my array, right? 1 और ये अभी I है. ठीक है. फिलहाल J यहाँ पर है. J इक्वल टू I minus 1 है. तो मुझे क्या करना है? ये दोनों पार्ट, आई हैव टू फिक्स दिस टू पार्ट्स, राइट? सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? आंसर विल बी द बेस्ट आंसर फॉर दिस पार्ट प्लस द सम ऑफ दिस टू. सो दिस विल बी dp ऑफ, ये j है ना, तो j minus 1, dp ऑफ j minus 1 प्लस सम ऑफ द these two numbers which is b. Okay, so guys, everyone write the formula. dp of j minus 1 plus dp of j minus 1 plus ताकि उसको इटरेट कर पाए, क्योंकि आई का लूप इधर ऑलरेडी चल रहा है। अगर आप आई को यहाँ पर ही डायरेक्ट डिक्रीमेंट कर देंगे तो आई यहाँ का मर जाएगा। इसलिए आई की वैल्यू जे में स्टोर कर रहा हूं अलग से, चीजों को सेपरेट रखिए। भाई और बॉयफ्रेंड को सेम तो ट्रीट नहीं कर सकते ना गाइस, या कर सकते? बोलिए, नहीं कर सकते। तो यहां पर आपने आपका आई 2 से एन में चल रहा है, राइट? अब मैं यहां पर ही बैठ के आई को डिक्रीमेंट करने लग जाऊंगा तो बात नहीं लग जाएगी। मैं चाहता हूं आई चुपचाप 2 से एन में जाए, बाकी जो भी है वो उसको इसलिए मैं जे में डाल रहा हूं ताकि जे अपना इटरेट होता रहे, समझे? सो आई एम पुटिंग आई माइनस द वैल्यू ऑफ आई इन जे फॉर सेफ्टी पर्पस गाइस। क्लियर? दिस थिंग इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन? Yes, we can use, but we don't need to use Mohit, because we have a very good constraints given, which is n less than equal to 1000. Mira understood why am I doing this. I'm going, my I is going from 2 to n, but now I need to define a j. J is I minus 1. First j will take this much part, then j will take this much part, then j will take this much part. अब मैं चाहता हूं मेरा i कांस्टेंट हो, वो चेंज ना हो इस चक्कर में, इसलिए j को लेके दौड़ा रहा हूं, समझे? j को i को उधर ही रखना है। क्लियर? गुड गुड गुड। गाइस अब टाइम वेस्ट मत कीजिए, जल्दी बताइए क्या होगा जी की वैल्यू। डीपी ऑफ जे माइनस वन प्लस सम बी। सो सम बी इज व्हाट? सम बी इज बी ऑफ आई प्लस बी ऑफ आई minus 1. And as you go backwards, you keep on needing to add the b of I value to this. So sum b after j is decremented, sum b, तो ऐसे करेंगे तो what will happen, the sum of the b will keep on accumulating, because जब आप इधर हो तो आपको, जब आप लास्ट फर्स्ट व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई एम सेइंग दैट सम बी इज व्हाट, सम ऑफ दीज टू नंबर्स। अब जब j यहां पर आ जाएगा तब हमको इतने नंबर्स का सम चाहिए, फिर हमको इतने नंबर्स का सम चाहिए, तो बार बार उसको ऐड करते रहो ना, मेंटेन अ रनिंग सम, कीप ऑन एडिंग द b वैल्यूज। क्लियर गाइस? Guys got the trick which I am doing? No, don't even need to maintain the prefix sum array. Yeah, so इधर क्या लिखेंगे मैं बताओ, चलो चैट में बताइए क्या लिखूंगा मैं। लाइन नंबर 25 पे सम बी इक्वल टू सम बी प्लस, क्विक गाइस, क्विक फास्ट, बी ऑफ जे। करेक्ट 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 करेक्ट। और वट एवर चॉइसेस आर आई एम गेटिंग, आई विल कंपेयर देम विद द मिनिमम v1. So v1 comma g, top g, and rotate, breathe air, sparkling water. So guys, this is done. Now guys, v1 has the best answer. आपने पहला ऑप्शन भी ले लिया, whatever other options are coming, you took the minimum for all of them. So dp of I is v1. Guys, tell me what will be the final answer to the whole question. You have calculated all the dp's from 1 2 till n. What will be the final answer? Be quick about it, don't waste even a single second, don't have much time. क्या प्रिंट करेंगे? फाइनल आंसर क्या है, जल्दी लिखिए। dp of n. Great, nice, we are done now guys, our job is done. Now we stop the recording. And guys, anyone has any kind of issue, they can always contact me on my WhatsApp number. This is my number in Google OA. Where is it? I don't know. Google OA 4. Okay. Everything will be sent guys very soon. And ये क्या कहते हैं, ये जो कोड की लिंक है सब दे रहा हूँ मैं, ठीक है ना? आई एम currently stopping the recording, but let me paste this in id on guys. This is the pseudocode, the actual c. Guys, can we talk about the time complexity before ending the session? Everyone start writing the time complexity guys, don't waste your precious life. Quickly tell me the time complexity. You guys are not beginners, okay? So you guys should know the time complexity and stuff, okay? So time complexity guys, I am running two while loops, one inside other. So time complexity will be O of n square. Time complexity will be O of n square, and the space complexity will be, I'm only using one extra DP array of size n. So, and which, what will be the pseudocode guys? This is the pseudocode. Everyone has this document, okay? I will be sending everything in that thing also, okay? Guys, now we can recording. Everyone start writing yes if we can stop the recording now, guys. Be quick, guys. Good, good, good. Let's stop the recording. So, guys, with the name of God, Ram Ram. Now let's think what the solution could be for if n is less than equal to 10 raised to 5. That can be the like the maximum size of array in online assessments and contests. Okay. So what could be the O of n solution? Now we want to make our partition DP efficient. Okay. So always, guys, in this dynamic programming problems, now people always ask the same question, like how to make the states of DP in our question. So the solution is pretty simple. What is the solution? Solution is that necessity is the mother of invention. Similarly, need of the question is the mother of DP state. So if you analyze the question, you will see what is the need of the question. If you can see the need of the question, you will know the state which you need to bring up. So to optimize this, we have to make some extra states now. Okay, so what was happening in the past? Now guys, try to see it very carefully, very carefully. What was happening, guys? We were considering these possibilities, right? One possibility was what? That the last like for this is the ith index, na. One possibility was what? A of I plus dp of I minus 1. The best answer from 1 to I minus 1, and the last part you are taking it individually, so A of I. Then another option was b of I plus b of I minus 1 plus dp of I minus 2. So in the next option, you were taking these two elements, their answer, and you fix the answer of the 1 to I minus 2 elements. In the third option, what will you do, guys? You will fix the last three guys. So guys, last three people become B. Then last four people become B. Then last five people become B. Okay. So let's write the analysis here. Last person becomes B. Last person becomes B. Last two people become B. Last three people become B. And so on, guys. Okay, so on. Okay, clear? Now, guys, what happens? Suppose now I'm taking a general case. Huh? Be ready for the general case, guys. Suppose last G elements are B. I'm taking, assuming in my case, this is the ith element. Okay. Okay. There is an array like, guys, like this. Okay. This is the ith element. And the last G elements, these are the G elements, let's say. Okay. These are the G elements. The last G elements I'm considering as B. So what will be the answer for this case? It will be the sum of all the numbers from B of G till B of I plus dp of I minus G. Dp of I minus G will be this index just after the G elements. So this much best answer you already know. So this is what? Dp of I minus G, and the sum of elements from G to I is this much part. Okay, this. So this is the answer. But guys, can you see what is happening? Even in this dpi minus G, it can happen that the best answer for this included some previous elements of B and some elements of A after that. Okay, it looked like this: some B, some A, or some B, or it could look like that the last guy was A, then B, then A. So guys, my general hypothesis, please try to focus on my general hypothesis. My general hypothesis is there are only two states possible. Only two states possible for now. What? Whenever you want to know the best answer of dp of I, either the last part will be having some b's. Whatever is the best answer, whatever is the best answer, this is my observation, that whatever is the best answer for dp of I will have some fixed amount of B candidates in the end. Okay, whatever is the best answer, or it will have A candidate at the end. Okay, guys, these are the only two possibilities. Either you choose the last guy as A of I, and then the rest of the part, or some elements are B for sure. These elements are B, and then comes the A, and then comes the A, okay, and the rest of the stuff. So there are only, whenever you are trying to calculate the best answer for DP of I, means the best answer of the array from index 1 to I, there are only two possibilities. Either few of the back elements are B, or the last element is A. That's it, guys. That's it. Now, if the last element is A, the calculating the answer is very easy. Let's focus on how can we optimize this. Okay. So, guys, we have so many options in our life, but we should try to find the best option which can give the maximum of all of them. So, guys, let's make a two DP states. Okay. Okay. Let's make the two DP states. I here. DPI of A. Guys, DPI of A means what? DPI of A means the best answer for this array such that the last element is the eighth element. So answer will be what? A of I plus plus DPI minus 1. DPI minus 1. A and B. You have to take the maximum of both, na? Max. So guys, see, I am making now a different states because I can easily see that whenever you are trying to find the final answer ना guys, दो ही चीजें हो सकती है, या तो लास्ट में बी भरा हो थोड़े बहुत, या फिर लास्ट में एक सिंगल ए हो. तो क्यों ना इन्हीं के स्टेट्स बना दिए जाए. There can be only two things. Either whatever is your best answer, in that best answer there can be few elements b at the end, or there can be a single a. Okay. Yeah, there can be a single a. Okay. Now there can be multiple a also, but they will be considered like this, separate from each other. A, because a should always be of size 1 na? So if this is index I, it can look like this, but there are only two possibilities. Either the last element is a or the last element is b. Okay. But if the last element is b, then you will have to make the adjacent also b. So the b are always multiple. That's why I'm saying there are only two possibilities. Either the last element is a, or the last few elements are b. That's it. So I'm making the two states, guys. DPI of A. DPI of A will be what? Best answer if the last element is put in A category. Is put in A category. And DPI of B means what? Best answer. Best answer if the last few elements are B. Or let's formulate it nicely. Best answer if at least the last two elements, if at least the last two elements are B. Guys, you always need two or more than two elements, or else the B does not work. It was mentioned in the rules. Okay, guys. So guys, DPI of A means best answer till index I such that the last element is A, and DPI of B means the best answer such that the last two elements are B. At least the last two elements are B. Okay guys, at least the last two elements are B. So can you see DPI of B will DPI of A formula is very easy. DPI of A formula is very easy. DPI of A formula is very easy. DPI of A means you don't have to do much. DPI of A means what, guys? DPI of A means the last guy should be A, right? So the answer will be DPI of A equal to A of I plus best of both. Now from I minus, you want to know the best answer of I minus 1. So there are two possibilities at I minus 1. I minus 1 A and I minus 1 B. So you take the max of them. Earlier, the DP of I was already having the maximum of both. Okay. So DP of I was nothing but DP of I comma DP of IB max. Okay. DP of IA comma DP of IB max. Anyways, guys, what will be DPI of A? You take the last element as A plus the best answer for I minus 1. What is the best answer for I minus 1? Min. We need min. Na? Best answer for I minus 1 can be either DPI minus 1A or DPI minus 1B. Okay, guys, so this much is clear to all the people. This is very easy. Now, what will be the states for DPIB? This is important. This means you have to now forcefully make the last two elements b. You need to make at least the last two elements forcefully b. Forcefully b, guys, you need to make the last two elements forcefully b. There is no other option. Okay, so guys, what will be dpi of b? Only focus on dpi of b. For an array, what will be dp of I of b? What will be dpi of b? So if I try to make it like this, so this is dp of I. Now you want the best answer that the last few elements are b. So at least this should be b, guys. At least this should be b, right? And there can be further b's also, but these two are guaranteed to be b, because in the monolithic service you need at least two b's in the end. Okay, so guys, dp of I of b, you know guys, what it will be? It will be, either you take these to b, okay, either you take these to b and just chill, man, just chill. You take these two b's, and the best answer to the question such that the I minus 2 guy is either starting from a, or it is either starting from b. That's it, guys, try to feel it. So answer will be b of I plus this, you have to forcefully make b, na, that's why b of I plus b of I minus 1 plus minimum of, there are two options. At I minus 2, you either choose dp of I minus 2a or dp of I minus 2b. That's it, guys, that's it. Either you choose a, the best answer for I minus 2 index such that it ends with a, then a will start coming from here, or the best answer for I minus 2 such that b is coming, so more b's will come here. So it might happen that this was the best answer, such that 2 b's you take and 3 b's from the past, total 5 b's, and then a starts coming. So these are the two options: dpi minus 2a or dpi minus 2b. So b of I plus b of I minus 1 plus mean of dp, let's call it as b2, guys, b2 means at least the last two elements of the b should be, the last two elements of the array should be b. So b of I plus b of I minus 1 plus a minimum of what, dp of I minus 2a, a means the last element is a, or dp of I minus 2 b2, I minus 2 b2, and the job is done, guys. See, now you only need to run one for loop. Okay, dpia will be this and dpi b2 will be this. Now why are we able to do this so efficiently? Think, why are we able to do it so efficiently? Because, guys, see, for doing this you don't need extra time, but here you are saving lots of time. Earlier you were considering all the chunks of b, now you don't need to consider all the chunks of b, because dpib2 is already taking the max of all the b chunks which could come. समझ रहे हो? Indirectly dpib2 क्या कर रहा है? What is dpib2 doing indirectly? If you observe now, you will know that dpib2 is doing what? It is considering what will happen if the last two are b. It is also considering what will happen if the last three are b. It is also considering what will happen if the last four are b. It is also considering what will happen if last five are b. It is also considering what will happen if last six are b. सबको कंसीडर करके सबका मैक्स एक झटके में ले ले रहा है वो. कैसे? क्योंकि लास्ट टू तो बी कर लेता है, आगे वाले को बोल देता है मैंने आगे वाले पे चोप दिया डीपीआई माइनस टू बी पर. The last two b's it already took. It considered that much part. Now, for dpi minus 2b, whatever the number of b's were giving the best answer, you are adding them only with these two b's. So, all possibilities of maximum are coming up. And you're getting the best answer. Got it? एक झटके में सारे बी को कंसीडर कर लिए उसने एक ही स्टेप में. So, guys, dp, this is the formula. But now, guys, there is a catch. There is a small mistake. There is a small mistake. What is that small mistake, guys? dpib2 is only considering even number of b elements. dpib2 is only considering even number of b elements. Even number of b elements. Now this is very interesting. So what is happening that this is I minus 1. What do? You make it b, you make it b. So dp I of b2 will be b of I plus b of I minus 1, and mean of, let's ignore the a for some time. Let's see what will happen if it is a b. If it is a then there are only two b elements which we have considered. Okay, so dp I minus 2a, everyone knows it, comma, this is important. What will happen if I take dp I minus 2 b2? Guys, if I take dp I minus 2 b2, I will be taking the answer which is giving the best answer from 1. I will be taking the part which will is giving the best answer from 1 to I minus 2, which it is giving the best answer from 1 to I minus 2, such that such that this guy this guy is also having two b's. Okay, this is also having two b's. Okay, एंड इसने भी अपने फ्यूचर में यही किया होगा, ये दो बी को ऐड किया होगा और बोला होगा द बेस्ट आंसर सच दैट दिस इज हैविंग इवन नंबर ऑफ बीज. सो द नंबर ऑफ बीज विच यू विल कंसिडर विल ऑलवेज बी इवन. एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः, ऐसा ऐसे इवन चला जाएगा बार बार. ऑड नंबर ऑफ बीज तो कंसिडर ही नहीं हुए. इट नेवर हैपेंड दैट योर इक्वेशन कंसिडर थ्री बीज कंसिडर कर ही नहीं सकते आप, क्योंकि आप यहाँ के दो बी ले लेते हो, फिर बोलते हो बेस्ट आंसर ऑफ डीपी आई माइनस टू बी. तो डीपीआई माइनस टू बी का मतलब ही है कि लास्ट में एटलीस्ट दो बी होंगे. तो एक दो तीन चार हो गया, तीन बी का तो कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. अगर आपको तीन बी चाहिए तो आप क्या करोगे? यूज योर कॉमन सेंस. You should take 2b from here, and next state you should make, guys, dpib1. It means, even though question is not allowing it, dpib1 means the best answer to the question if there is at least one b at the ith index. See guys, man, I did not directly give you the what states to make. I'm showing the necessity of the question. Necessity is the mother of invention. जरूरत पड़ रही है, दो दो से काम नहीं बनने वाला. ऑड बी भी तो कंसीडर करने चाहिए. वो केस तो कंसीडर ही नहीं हो रहा जहां लास्ट में तीन बी होंगे. अपन दो बी तो ले लेते हैं, फिर आगे बोल देते, फिर से इवन ठोक देते हैं. ऐसा थोड़ी ना चलेगा. For taking last two b's, you should also make a case where you're saying that the best answer from I minus 2 such that there is at least one b. If you take at least one b means there are chances that one b can come, and 1 plus 2 3 b's can come. That's it. Odd b's will also start coming. So now guys, these are our final states. Final states, and our job is done. dpi of a, this means what? Now let's make it all small. dpi of a means what? Best answer if the last element is in a category. Okay, the last element is a. And what will be the formula for this, guys? Very easy, very easy. The formula will be a of I plus max of dp I minus 1, the best answer if you are taking a from the end, or dp I minus 1 if the best answer which you are taking is b. Okay, from that part. Okay, this we already discussed about. Okay, acha, we have to take min. Sorry, I keep on writing max. We need the minimum answer. Similarly, guys, what will be dpi of b2? Guys, you want the last two elements as b. Last two elements you want as b. This means you need to make at least the last two elements b. Okay, two or more than two can be b. So answer will be b of I plus b of I minus 1 plus min of, either you take the a, guys, this is very good, nice, enjoy, dp I minus 2a, or earlier what were you writing? dp I minus 2 b2. This is wrong. b2 लिखोगे तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? अगेन द मीन्स करेक्ट है, बट ये वाले इफ यू ओनली मेक दीज टू केसेस तो इवन ही कंसिडर होगा. यहाँ पर आपने दो एलिमेंट लिए और यहाँ पर आप फिर से बोल रहे हो कि ऐसी स्टेट सच दैट लास्ट टू एलिमेंट्स विल बी बी, तो दो दो चार हो जाएगा, हमेशा यही होता रहेगा, तो फिर चार इवन ही रहेगा, समझ रहे हो? अब इफ यू डोंट वांट इवन, व्हाट कैन यू डू? हियर यू राइट डीपी ऑफ I minus 2 B1, B1 लिखिए, B1. So guys, now your job is done. What is the best answer for all the cases? What is the best answer? Whenever you are at index I, this is I minus 1. So dp I of b2 is b of I plus b of I minus 1, means these two you have make b. इसका मतलब ही ये था कि लास्ट के, it means make the last two or more than last two elements as b. So you make this b, you make this b, plus dp of I minus 2 b1. It means that at least this element should be b or more than this should be b. समझे? तो ऑड वाला भी केस आ जाएगा, ये वाला अगर बी चाहिए तुमको एटलीस्ट वन, तो दो और एक तीन वाले भी हो गए, और इसमें वो दो वाले भी आ गए. बट जब आप व्हेन यू राइट डीपी आई माइनस टू बी टू, तब रॉन्ग हो जाता है, तब तुम कहते हो यहाँ के तो दो भी ले लिए, अब यहाँ पर भी दो भी होना चाहिए. सो यू आर कंसिडरिंग इधर टू और फोर, थ्री तो कंसिडर ही नहीं हो रहा. बट व्हेन यू डू डीपी आई माइनस टू बी वन, दिस मीन्स that at least one or more than one, means all cases are being considered, either this can be b or these two can be b or these three can be b, because the definition is one or more than one can be b. That's it. But this will never be your final answer, because final answer में क्या बोला था? हाँ, yeah, anyways फिलहाल के लिए इतनी बात कर लेते हैं. What will be dpi of b1? Guys, now you want at least one b at the end, though this will never be your final answer, because the question is saying that you should have at least two b's, but I'm making this state क्योंकि ये स्टेट बना के ये फॉर्मूला में हेल्प होती है. Okay, you are able to help this formula. I'm making this state. So guys, you want at least one element b, so obviously b of I plus min of a, make it a, make the answer from I to minus 1 to I minus 1 could have a at the end, or same dp I minus 1 b1. Guys, this is also very easy. You want one element b in the end in this state, dpi b1. So what will you do? You take b of I, okay, then either start putting a from I minus 1 index, or again dp I minus 1, the best answer for putting one or more than one b from I minus 1, again it will be equal to dpi b1. वही तो हुआ. dpi b1 का क्या मतलब है? dpi b1 का मतलब ये है कि the last element should be b. Last element should be b. So you wrote b of I. The second last element can be a. So dpi minus 1 a1, the best answer till there. Okay, a को 1 को निकाल लो. Or you want one or more than one, right? So whatever was the best answer for getting one or more than one b's from 1 to I minus 1, you take that case. So उसको अपने साथ join कर लो, तो वो भी one or more than one हो जाएगा. समझे? So basically dpi minus 1a, this case gives you exactly 1, and dpi minus 1 b1 gives you like more than 1 b's in the end. So this is it, guys. These states you have made. What will be your final answer? What will be your final answer? dpn of a, either the final answer will end with a, or dpn of b2, or there should be at least two or more than two b's in the end, because the question clearly said कि two or more than two b है. ये मत लिख देना कि फाइनल आंसर dpn b1 होगा, नहीं. एक या एक से ज्यादा बी अलाउड नहीं है, दो या दो से ज्यादा बी ही अलाउड है, समझे? ये तो हमने स्टेट इसलिए बनाया, वी मेड दिस स्टेट बिकॉज दिस इज हेल्पिंग फॉर अस कैलकुलेटिंग द आंसर. So answer will be dpna or dpnb2, and the job is done. If you guys go and check the code, you can see that the same things are done. See, dp10, these things are filled up. Okay, dp1 of 2 is written as infinity. Why? Because for the first element, how can you choose two b elements? They are does not exist for index number 1. Only b of 1 exists. So dp10, dp10, these are calculated. See, I wrote the three values and then I keep on putting them in, and the job is done, and that's it. So now we stop the recording. In the name of God, Ram 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 Ram. I love